Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be making fried dumplings, also known as Johnny cake. For this specific recipe, I'll be using 3 cups of plain flour, and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of baking powder to that, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Please note guys, the sugar is optional. You don't have to use any sugar at all. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and use your finger to work the butter into the flour, and then you're going to go in with 1 egg, and I'm going to use milk to combine all my ingredients, but you don't have to use milk, you can just use plain water. The egg is going to contribute to the flakiness of your dumpling, and that's what you want the outside to be nice and crispy. There's 2 secrets to getting soft dumpling. One is make sure that your dough, after combining it, make sure that it is soft. It is not dry, okay? And the second thing is putting down your dough to proof. You can let it proof from overnight, or you can put it down for an hour or 2. After 1 hour guys, this is how you want your dough to look. Soft and stretchy, and then you can tell that your dumpling is gonna turn out great. As you can see, I lightly dust it with some flour because you don't want to interfere with the softness of your dough, so make sure that you dust it lightly. Don't put too much flour on it and you'll be fine. Look at that, beautiful. I just want to say that my grandmother, Veronica Daly Lewis, may her soul rest in peace, but she made the best fried dumpling ever. And if there's any female in my family that don't know how to make fried dumpling, that means they weren't watching. In fact, my grandmother was named the best home cook in New Jersey. Long time ago, I was just a kid, and I remember she sent the newspaper to Jamaica, and my grandfather was so happy. He would ride his bike and show that newspaper to everyone that he knew. Now it's time to fry the dumpling, guys. Make sure that your oil is not too hot, and one way to test that is to put a piece of dumpling in there, and if it floats up instantaneously, that means your oil is too hot. It has to take its time, form bubbles around it, and then it take its time and float up. That's when you know that your oil is ready to go. And guys, please do not laugh at my Dutchie. If you're a Jamaican, you can relate to this pot, okay? And I actually bought this pot in a store in New Jersey. Look at that, guys. That's how your dumpling should look. So Kendra thinks that fried dumpling is beignet, so this is her plate. I don't know why, but she just loves beignet, and we can always trick her with fried dumpling. Thank you guys so much for watching, and this is a Jamaican national dish. I know almost everybody know how to cook it already, but I'm gonna share my recipe with you in my next video. See you guys later.